सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को। हाँ ठीक है, ऐसा ही।
What's up guys, and it's trailer time. We're just few days away from the official announcement and it's time to take a look at some of the final official stuff from Samsung as well as some final leaks. Samsung has started posting billboards across major cities in Europe and United States that says the future unfolds. This is clearly a tease for the foldable phone, which is going to be a bigger deal than you thought. Honestly, I'm pretty excited for the Galaxy S10 family, but I'm looking forward to the major innovation that's gonna happen with the foldable phone in this technology world. So for that, we have a new event teaser that sort of highlights the foldable phone. And yes, this time Samsung will be showing it in its full glory. As you can see with this trailer, it says the future unfolds. We're not completely sure about the name. There is a huge chance it could be called as Galaxy Fold or just Galaxy F. But as far as the Galaxy S10 models are concerned, the names are official. Samsung France has posted this on their website, pretty much confirming the name. So we have the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. Now on to some juicy stuff. Samsung Vietnam YouTube channel has posted a lot of trailers regarding the features of the Galaxy S10 family. First up is the in-display fingerprint scanner confirmation. We already knew that it's going to happen months ago, so this is a full confirmation of that. It's said to be the most reliable and accurate in-display fingerprint scanner using Qualcomm's ultrasonic tech. There's a new hands-on video leak from the case maker known as Mobile Fun that shows that some protector might not actually work with this in-display fingerprint scanner, so that's why we can see a hole with the screen protector in order to make the fingerprint scanner work with that particular screen protector, and it looks pretty bad, I would say. So Samsung Mobile.news tweeted out saying that Galaxy S10 will indeed come with a protector out of the box. According to his sources, they have seen some prototypes with that protector without a hole, and it works perfectly with the in-display fingerprint scanner. So I think there will be a screen protector, and most likely we're also going to get a silicone case out of the box. Now another teaser that confirms the wireless charging capabilities of the Galaxy S10 family, which is a neat feature because if you buy the Galaxy Buds, then you'll be able to charge them on the go wirelessly. The combination of the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy Buds is going to be great if you want to go wireless. And no, it's completely up to you, because if you want to use your current headphones or wired headphones, you can still use them because the Galaxy S10 family does indeed pack the headphone jack. Now the last trailer sort of highlights the front camera of the Galaxy S10 family. So in case you don't know, the Galaxy S10 family is set to feature a 10 megapixel selfie camera that can shoot 4K video with optical image stabilization. It could actually be the best selfie phone or best selfie video phone with this 4K video recording capability. Honestly, I'm super excited for the front camera because finally they have upgraded it from the 8 megapixel that we have seen across previous generations. And this trailer also highlights the design aspect of the phone. It says how it stands out compared to all the notches out there. It doesn't highlight the infinity hole or anything, but it does show the uniqueness of Samsung design. Again, the hole in our Galaxy is the fate for the future phones. I've been using the Galaxy A&S already and I'm getting used to it. It is better than a notch, but still it is something that you will notice at first. And after using the phone, you will get used to it. So there's a bit of a learning curve there. Again, I'll be doing my review of my Infinity O experience really soon. Also, XDA issued a huge report regarding the camera features of the Galaxy S10 family, which will blow your mind. Honestly, looking at all this information is more than just a new design change. So this time, Samsung has brought some major changes to the camera. So first up, super slow-mo video recording now supports up to 1080p video format, which is an amazing jump from the 720p of the last year's model. And also, it can shoot up to 0.8 seconds compared to 0.4 of the S9 and Note 9 family. Another feature is the best shot, which is going to be like an action feature, which will allow you to take multiple shots according to the appropriate situation. And as far as the video is concerned, there's some noticeable changes. The Galaxy S10 family will be the first one to record HDR10 plus videos, which is going to be amazing. So in addition to the HDR10 Plus video playback, you can now be able to record your own HDR10 Plus video. And also there's going to be a new mode called as Super Steady Video. This new mode, as the name suggests, allows you to take super steady, super killer stabilized video, more stabilized than the default video recording. And last but not the least, we have the support for HEIF format pictures, which is a more efficient file storage format compared to JPG. So that's nice. Camera is definitely getting major features, AI tricks, and amazing video gains. Again, 3 cameras for the S10 and S10 Plus, and 2 cameras for the Galaxy S10e. Also, if you are in US or South Korea, you will be seeing the Galaxy S10 5G model with 4 cameras on the back and a 5000 mAh battery, along with crazy 12 gigs of RAM. This model will be a little bit delayed, so it is expected to come out later in March. So yeah guys, official feature trailers are here. Insane official camera features coming straight from their own software. Exciting news are unfolding. Galaxy F is coming as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What is your favorite feature out of all the features that we talked about in this video? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.